Hello, boss. Are you ready for a slaughter trip?
Well, so
We're gonna be slaying them.
wait and see, but it's a long way to Western Australia, and we've done 8 kilometres.
That's Anna. And Pedro is in his cage. Look at you. Hey, are you ready for your coming home trip, Pedro? You're gonna come home, back home to your origin. You're gonna get to meet all your other relatives. Are you gonna sing some aha? We have to put up with it, Pedro, just talking non-stop.
Precious Johnny.
Hey, Precious Johnny. Yes, I know Precious Johnny. This is the area where I'm collecting my rocks or gemstones, and the car's just here. And I forgot that I left poor Pedro without any music. Hello? Hi, Pedro. Hello, my little cute Budgie. We put music on, okay? He likes ballads. There you go. You can have music now, baby P. Okay, kiss, kiss. Good boy. Hey, good boy. Kiss, kiss, mommy. Okay, he's not in the mood. Good morning, Pedro. You want to say hello? Hello. Good morning. Look at you, huh? We can't let you out. You know why? Because we're in the bush. We've set up this ensuite tent. It's a double ensuite, but it's not for changing clothes. It's actually Pedro's cage. So Pedro is eating dirt. And Pedro is playing with his bell inside this tent that we just bought for him. So this is actually Pedro's big cage. There's a train coming, Pedro. Hey, there's a road train. Oh, there, he's gone past already. Road train, Pedro. Road train. Come on. Come on. You're such a clicker.
Come, Daddy.
There you go. That's it. Hey, Pedro's update in the bush.